Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to use Arabic voice on 11 Labs. So the first thing you have to do is to go to the 11 Labs website and click on the sidebar option menu here, then click on my voices, then head on to collections where you'd see a variety of voices to choose from. Just scroll down and choose the Arabic option below, and once you click on the Arabic option, it should bring you to a page similar to what I have on here. So on this page you can proceed to choose the voice that would speak to your project. So we can sample them here.
صوتي للشعر والكتب والفيديوهات الملهمة. خذ مني حكمة. إيه كلام.
So this is how to choose an Arabic voice for your project. Thank you very much and do have a great day.